Does your cat refuse to use an enclosed roller-style litter box? Are you just tired of having to manually maintain your litter box? If so, this litter box might be for you. So let's talk about the Robo Tail automatic litter box. I'm gonna go over all the different features of this litter box, go over a demo of me using it, and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision for your litter box. And there's one thing about this litter box that really surprised me, and I'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so this is a self-cleaning litter box. It's open, it's not enclosed, it weighs 12 pounds, it's 21 by 30 inches, so a good size, and it has a rake style cleaning. So let's just have a closer look at the different parts of this litter box. Okay, so we can see the rake right here. You can also remove the rake really easily. We just go ahead and push this tab down on both sides, and then we can easily remove the rake to clean it, and push back down on in, and push the tabs backwards to close the rack into place. Then of course we have the main litter box. It's made out of plastic. And then on the very front here, we have our controls. So we have 2 buttons. This is for cleaning the litter box and then smoothing out the litter. So really simple and easy to use. Okay, then moving on over here to the trash bin. So this is transparent, so we can see through it right here. Then we can go ahead and push this on up, so we can go ahead and see inside. So here's what surprised me. It's this second rake system right here. And you'll see this in the demo. But what happens is the metal rake goes over this to remove anything that's on the metal rake, so nothing gets back into the litter box. It's also a really nice feature of this is we have a little odor pad. Let's go ahead and take this out so you can see. Here's our odor pad. And you do get 3 of them with your purchase. It's a nice citrusy smell. Put this back on. Okay, and then the trash bin. So we'll go ahead and take that out right from the front right here. Just go ahead and grab and pull out. And then what's also nice is you do get these little bags with your purchase as well. You get a whole roll of them. And to put it back in, just go ahead and drape it over the front. And there's little tabs on both sides. And we just go ahead and put on in the trash bag on the little tabs right there. You can see. And we wanna make sure the trash bag does not drape over the front. Okay, and then we just have to put this back in. Okay, so let's go over the main features here. So the first one, we already talked about the dual rake system that you saw. You'll get a better sense of how that works when we do a demo of it. But with a dual rake system, it's just very comprehensive in the cleaning, which is of course what you want with an automatic litter box. Okay, and then the other great feature about this is the weight sensors. The weight sensors are what initiate the automatic cleaning. What's also great about the weight sensors is it's a safety feature. So let's say the litter box is cleaning and your cat goes in here, the litter box cleaning will stop. So that way the rake isn't running into them or anything or pinching them. So how this function is the litter box detects that there's weight on the litter box, and then after a preset amount of time that you set in the app, then it'll start cleaning. What's also really nice is this will detect different weights. So if you have multiple cats, it can detect a specific weight of that cat, and you can set it in the app so you can see exactly which cat went into the litter box. And then we'll also go over the app and all the different features in the app as well after we do a demo. Okay, and then the litter that you want to use with this. You want to use fine grain litter that clumps up. That way it's just easier for the rake to pick up everything and put it in the trash bin. So you do want to avoid any tofu or large crystal litter. So the litter that works really well is 𝗪𝗪𝗪, bentonite, and mineral litter. Okay, let's talk about where you want to actually place this. So you want to place this on solid ground. You do not want to put it on a carpet. That could mess with the weight detection system. And you also want to leave 4 inches on all sides, so you don't want this right up against the wall. That's going to give you the best results with your litter box. Okay, so let's go over a demo of the 2 functions of the litter box now. So let's use the first function of this, and that's to rake out uneven litter. So go on to the front screen right here, and we'll press the button right here just once, and then it'll start raking through. Okay, so we can see that the litter is nice and even now. So now let's do the cleaning cycle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some aluminum balls in here just so you can see how it works. Go back to the front of the screen. I'll go ahead and press the cleaning button once. So this cleaning does take 4 minutes, and you'll see why. It does a really comprehensive clean of it. Okay, so we can see that it's doing multiple passes here at the very end before it scoops up. Then we have the first pass through on the second rake. See it extending. Then the rake extends again. So it's really thorough in the cleaning, as you can see. And what's nice is it then rakes the litter, so it evens everything out as it goes back to the starting position. Okay, so you can see that did a really comprehensive cleaning of the litter box. So now let's go over the app. Okay, so let's go into the Robo Tail app now. All right, so here's the main app, and we can see the main screen. And what's great about this app is we can control everything from the app. So to set this up, it's really simple. You just hold for 3 seconds the cleaning button on the actual litter box, and then that will enter pairing mode. Then you can connect the litter box to Wi-Fi. And then from there, we have all our options. So we can see the status, the cat left, it's in standby. And then we have our cleaning options. So we can enable the clean from right here, as well as the flatten and raising the litter rate. So really convenient. And then we have this auto clean option at the very bottom here. So this is when it starts cleaning. Right now we have it set it to 2 minutes after the cat leaves. We can adjust this to however long we'd like. So 2 minutes, you can set it to 5 minutes here. Okay, then we look at the bottom. We have a few other things we can adjust and look at. So we have usage. We can do it by cat and device. So cat here, so we can see this. So we need to add a cat first, and we can go to the cat option at the very bottom, and then we can add our cat. Okay, and just say Cindy is our cat. Save, cat breed. We'll just say American Shorthair. Just fill this out real quickly. Okay, then weight. We'll say 16.9 pounds. Okay, and then we can also add an image if we'd like to of our cat. It's also important to note that for the litter box, your cat needs to be at least 4 months old or weigh at least 1.5 kilograms, which is 3.31 pounds. Just keep that in mind as well. So then we have our cat set. Okay, and then we can see all these statistics in here. So there's Cindy, and we can see the weight, times, duration, and then we can see the graph of when it's being used. So really comprehensive, and we can also adjust the profile of your cat again as well. And we can add another cat by simply just pressing the plus button up here. Then we can look at today, weekly, yearly, then we have the me section. That just gives you the count number, that version. You can switch units from pounds to kilograms, then feedback, contact us, and privacy. So really simple, easy to use. You don't have to go over to the litter box to adjust it, and you can keep track of your cats easily from this app. Okay, so let's talk about the pros and cons of this. So the pros. This is a really nice system. The dual rake system works really well. The weight detection also is a great feature. As you saw, the app is really comprehensive and you can control the litter box from your app. The nice features of the odor control pad that it comes with are great. It has a transparent lid, and just the open design of this works really well for most cats. The cons of this, so this does make a little bit of noise when it does run. It's not really loud or anything. It's just something to note, you want to keep this in another room besides the family room. Also, again, you need to have certain types of litter for this box to work really effectively. And the 4-minute cycle does take a little bit of time, but that's really not that big of an issue because it is automatic and it is hands-off. Okay, so who is this for? So really any cat owners who have cats that get really, claustrophobic in the enclosed litter boxes, and just people who are just shorter on time and just want something more automatic and a little less hands-on. This is also good for multi-cat households, as again, you can use the app to add your different cats and reads them by certain weight, and it's just big enough for bigger cats as well. So if you're looking for a high quality automatic litter box that has a dual rake system, can handle multiple cats, has odor control, and is a really comprehensive cleaning, this is definitely a litter box worth checking out.